while MIHAYO boards continue to capture attention for their satisfying tactile response. Mobility scooters are seeing a surge in demand, especially among seniors and adults seeking freedom outdoors. Whether it's a trip to the park, errands around town, or enjoying nature, the right scooter makes a huge difference. This guide evaluates motor power, battery range, weight capacity, portability, and terrain adaptability to help you choose the perfect outdoor mobility scooter for comfort and independence. Heavy-duty mobility scooter for seniors and adults, 500 pounds capacity. If durability and performance are your top priorities, this heavy-duty mobility scooter is a powerhouse. With a 500 pounds weight capacity, it's built for larger riders without compromising speed or efficiency. Its robust frame, powerful motor, and extended battery life make it ideal for rugged outdoor use, including uneven terrain, steep driveways, or long-distance errands. Despite its size, List 2. Metro Mobility 4-wheel outdoor scooter, foldable with 300 pounds capacity. The Metro Mobility 4-wheel scooter blends practicality with performance. It boasts a 300 pounds capacity, compact folding design, and durable frame, making it an excellent choice for travelers or those with limited storage. Powered by a reliable battery and a responsive electric motor, it offers a smooth and quiet ride across sidewalks and paved paths. The anti-tip wheels, adjustable tiller, and swivel seat enhance comfort and safety during use. With its foldability and lightweight frame, it fits into most car trunks. List 3. ecomobi MSO2 4-wheel mobility scooter. Up to 45 miles range, designed for long-distance outdoor travel. The ecomobi MSO2 boasts a powerful 350-watt motor and a range of up to 45 miles per charge, depending on conditions. This scooter is ideal for those who need extended autonomy without constant recharging. Its 4-wheel suspension, sturdy chassis, and anti-slip tires deliver a smooth, safe experience over uneven terrain. The padded seat is wide and comfy. List number: MIHAYO 4-wheel mobility scooter, foldable 25-mile range. The MIHAYO 4-wheel mobility scooter strikes a sweet spot between performance and portability. With a 25-mile range, it's perfect for daily outdoor activities without worrying about charging frequently. This foldable design makes it a standout for transport or storage, ideal for both city dwellers and rural users. Its 360-degree swivel seat, LED lighting, and adjustable tiller ensure ease of use and comfort. List 9. mbxcooter M1 4-wheel mobility scooter, 15 miles range, 350-watt power. The mbxcooter M1 is a sleek, modern mobility scooter offering 15 miles per charge and powered by a 350-watt motor for reliable performance. Compact yet stable, it's designed for smooth terrain such as shopping centers, sidewalks, and driveways. Its adjustable tiller, ergonomic handlebars, and cushioned seats support comfortable rides over short to moderate distances. This scooter is easy to assemble and disassemble,